We'll guide you through how to edit documentary video in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To effectively create a high-quality, professional documentary video using the versatile CapCut desktop software on your Windows or Mac computer, please strictly follow these 30 essential steps to ensure a truly polished and cinematic final result for your viewers. First, launch the CapCut desktop software application on your personal computer to begin the editing journey. Once the application is open, click Sign in the top left corner of the dashboard. Next, choose Sign in with Google for a fast and secure login process today. Select the specific Google account you wish to use now. Click the Continue button on the permission screen to proceed. Select Open CapCut in the browser pop-up to return now. Please confirm you are successfully logged in to access important cloud space features. Click the Create Project button to open the active editing workspace. Select the Import button to begin adding your raw footage. Navigate through local folders to locate the specific media assets. Select the video files you intend to use for editing. Click Open to bring assets into your project media library files. Drag your media directly onto the main horizontal timeline below. Trim any scenes or segments you do not want used. Click the Transitions tab located on the top left menu bar. Choose a professional transition and drag it between two scenes. Click the Filters tab to browse for aesthetic color styles. Choose the best filter that suits the mood of video. Drag the chosen filter onto the timeline above video clips. Adjust filter duration by dragging edges to match clip length. Play the preview to ensure visual alignment is perfectly accurate. Click the Export button in the top right corner screen. Set resolution to 1080p for high-definition quality for your audience. Adjust bitrate to a higher setting to maintain image clarity. Choose H.264 as your codec for maximum modern device compatibility. Select MP4 as your output format for quality and size. Set frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth and high-performance playback. Click Export at the bottom to begin the final rendering. Wait for the progress bar to finish as your video saves. Your video is now ready to share directly or save to your computer right now for the final project showcase.